Alma, what are you playing with? Come here.
No, it goes this way.
Does Mommy have the ball? Here, let's go. Let's go. Where are you going? Here, where's the ball? Let's find the ball. There it is. Let's go get the ball. Alma.
Alma.
Red teddy bear.
Alma, what about the ball?
Push the ball.
That's as big as you are.
Alma.
I think she gets too excited and has to get away.
Where's the ball?
Go find the ball. Where's the ball?
No more? Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, she's waiting.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.